Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I have a huge announcement. I am reaching my almost 500 mark here for my 500 milestone. We have got 16 people left to go. 16 subscribers, and I'm getting really excited. So I'm going to announce my 500 milestone giveaway. I've got two sponsors, Model Ones and SheModern.com. Model Ones has graciously donated one of their polygel nail form kits. It comes with 7 different colors. Everything that you need to put polygel nails on is in this box. It is a great kit. Very excited for the person who gets. Yep, these are the wrong way. Very excited for the person who gets this. You're gonna have lots of fun with it. You get your file, your 7 colors, your plastic forms. You could use even paper forms if you wanted to, but these ones here are in, I think, 12 different sizes. They have the lines marked in the forms for how the length of the nail that you want to pick. So this is one prize. 2 more are from SheModern. There will be 2 $50 water decal gift cards for water decals only. No stencils, no pigments. That would come out of your pocket, not theirs. This is for water decals only. I can't stress that enough because I don't want somebody to jump the gun. Both are exciting, great prizes. If you do not know about SheModern, I keep mine in a photo album. They have lettering. I got my 2 customized names of mine. I've got nails. I've got my first name, which is Cherie. Butterflies. I got my bats for Halloween. My awareness ribbons. Got some really beautiful sandals in 2-tone colors. That's all in that book for the water decals. I have other ones. I'm a junkie light for the water decals. I just truly love them. With the $50 gift cards, you can get you a good hookup. Love these here. I haven't used those yet. Maybe this Saturday on SheModern Saturday I will use those. Not sure yet. I could though. Love those too. So 2 $50 gift cards, 1 US, 1 international. Model Ones, unfortunately, is only going to be able to ship US, so there are 2 US prizes. 1 international, which is the $50 gift card to SheModern. Sorry, the mat's moving all over the place. I'm just so excited. Please subscribe. You must be visibly subscribed to my channel in order to win. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so now. To enter, I'm going to make this so simple. Enter me at US or international. That is it. You must be 18 years of age or older. And, yeah. The gift cards will come through email. SheModern will deliver your polygel nail set through probably Amazon, I'm guessing. I don't know. Probably through Amazon, I'm pretty sure. But please subscribe. I am really super excited. I want to thank everybody for helping me get here to this milestone. I want to thank the people who helped me at the very beginning, which is my son, Tech Savvy Gaming. Also some other people who have inspired me, Robin Moses. Sorry, getting a little choked up. But this is really important to me. Having this channel has just been, I can't even begin to explain. But I want to thank everybody for helping me get here. Please stay tuned for future videos. I got SheModern Saturday series that I do every Saturday. Once a month I do a breast cancer awareness tag. Usually I'm trying to get that due on the 1st of the month, but I'm failing at that. So that should be coming up in the next couple of days from now. Oh, sorry. I had to wipe the tears. Tears of joy. But I'm going to let you go for now. I just wanted to make this huge announcement. 500 milestone giveaway. Please subscribe, please enter, and comment below. Enter me, US or international. And as always, have a blessed day.